In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the first column in Monday.com. If you've ever wanted the first column to reflect your workflow, like candidates, clients, or in our example, employees, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to update that label so your board speaks your team's language. First, open a board. Choose the specific board where you want the change to appear, because this update is applied at the board level. That means it won't affect your other boards, only the one you're working in now. Once the board is open, glance around to confirm you're in the right place, especially if you manage multiple workspaces. Next, head to the upper right corner of the board and click the three-dot menu. This menu controls board-level settings and tools, and it's where Monday.com keeps options that change how your board behaves or looks. If the screen size is smaller, you may need to expand or scroll within this menu to see everything. From the menu, click on Change Item Terminology. This is the feature that lets you rename the first column's label across the board. It doesn't change your data, permissions, or column types. It simply updates the wording you see in the first column, as well as related prompts and buttons throughout the board. If you don't see this option, you may not have the required permissions, so check with a board owner or admin. Now, select Employees. This tells Monday.com to replace the default label, often called Item, with Employees, wherever that first column name appears. Pick a term that matches what you actually track on the board. Using a clear, specific word helps teammates understand what belongs in that column at a glance and keeps your processes consistent. Finally, click Change to apply it. The update takes effect immediately, and you'll notice the first column label refresh across all groups and views in this board. There's no need to reload, just scan the top of the first column and you'll see the new name in place. That's it. You've successfully changed the first column label in Monday.com. Remember, this update is purely a naming change. It won't alter your automations, integrations, or the structure of your columns. If you ever need to adjust it again or revert to the original term, repeat the same steps and pick a different label. Using clear terminology can make your board more intuitive, reduce onboarding time for new collaborators, and help reports and filters read the way your team actually talks about work. Thanks for following along, and enjoy a cleaner, more personalized Monday.com board.